Alright, so in this video I'm going to do something that's not sanctioned. That's why it's going on my personal YouTube channel. We're going to show you how to unlock the secrets of the Topscan on an Android tablet using it in horizontal mode. Now, there is not an official tablet app for the Android tablet yet. That is rumored to be coming in the future, but as of now there is not one. However, we can use the Topscan on an Android tablet in horizontal mode, and I'm going to show you how in this video. Alright, so we're going to show you the unsanctioned way to do this. So if we go to the Google Play Store, we're going to search for an app. We're just going to type in the word rotation and search that, and you're going to find Rotation Control by CloudX Inc. It is, I think, about a $5 app, so it doesn't cost a whole lot of money. And basically, you're going to go find that app and download that app. And then once you have downloaded that app, you're going to go ahead and launch it. And when we launch it here, you're going to see there is a rotation button. And in here, we can basically force the screen into a rotation mode that we want. So in this particular case, the app has been rotating itself upside down for whatever reason. And so in order to compensate for that, I've set it to do landscape reverse automatically. And then I've got the radio button here in the top right corner turned on. And basically, when I open the Topscan app now, whoops, wrong tab there. When I open the Topscan app, you will see that it opens in horizontal format. Now, you can see that the icons are not spaced perfectly. So the user interface has not optimized perfectly, per se. But it does work, and it actually works pretty well. So I'm going to go ahead, actually, here, and I'm going to connect the dongle to a car so you can see how well it actually works. See if I can get it connected. Alright, so I have got the dongle in the car. You can see the VCI has already connected here. The little green lightning bolt is lit up. And we're going to go ahead. We'll just do EOBD to keep things simple for this. Go back here. Auto scan. We'll give it just a moment here. Shouldn't take too long. Okay, there we go. We're already connected to the car. We'll go ahead and we'll do live data. And you can see it's still laid out pretty good horizontally here, so we can still see everything on the screen normally. And works pretty dang good, considering that it's not officially supported like this. Obviously we had to get the separate app and whatever, but not that big a deal. So if we take this here and we edit, we'll just say calculated load, coolant temperature, short-term and long-term fuel trim. We'll confirm. And if we turn these into a graph, and then we do this, and then we combine, can do up to 4. And we get actually a pretty reasonably useful graph. Could it be better? Sure. It's probably going to get optimized in time here. But you can see we actually do have some decent ability to integrate the graphs here. And it works pretty good on a tablet, honestly. If we wanted to run them independently here, we can also do that like this and have a couple of them on the screen at the same time. Obviously, it works better if you combine them. But it's pretty usable. Obviously, most of the other stuff we're going to use the Topscan for, at least in a professional capacity, for just basic data collection and stuff like that. It works really good this way in the tablet app. And I like the fact that my tablet has a quick screenshot button on here. And of course, this tablet also has Google Play. So I can use, basically, if I have anything that I want to upload directly to my cloud personally, I can do that right here from this tablet, since this tablet is an Android Play Store tablet and has all that latitude. The tablet I'm using actually also has a super high resolution camera and some insanely bright lights that can be on at the same time. So I can use it for digital inspections and other stuff like that. And it works really good with the Topscan. So then, like in this particular instance, if I'm looking at readiness monitors, the purge valve was actually just replaced. So if I want to take a screenshot of this just to show it's working properly, there you go. There's my screenshot. I can share it, I can edit it, I can do all that stuff. Because again, this is an Android tablet. And obviously it gives us the freedom that we maybe want, that we don't always get from our scan tools. So for a basic data collection tool for a first grab, using it in the horizontal tablet style mode with that extra app makes the Topscan Pro and the Topscan Master amazing as a initial data collection tool, even for a professional. Again, when you combine it with a rugged tablet like this, and you have that additional app installed, it's not going to replace a professional scan tool in any way, shape, or form. But for initial data collection and pre-scans and post-scans of basic vehicle stuff, screenshots of things that are broken, things of that nature, it's absolutely amazing how effective it works in this format. So I just want to put this quick video together to share that. Again, Rotation Control Pro by CloudX was the app, and it is a premium app. You do have to buy it. It's a couple bucks, but it's totally worth the money because you can see it really makes the user experience with the Topscan Pro and Master, and I'm sure the Lite as well, just amazing. I have not tried it on the CarPal app, but I would be willing to bet that it probably also will work on that. So stay tuned, maybe we'll try that on the next video. So thanks for watching, and look forward to seeing you on the next video.